I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practices and their prominence one word at a time. Let's talk about a big problem that I'm seeing with LinkedIn posts these days from professional services providers like attorneys. The problem is there's a failure to properly balance professional posts with personal posts. We used to see only personal posts on Facebook and Instagram. Now there's a fair amount of personal posts on LinkedIn. And while there is nothing wrong with the occasional personal post, it shouldn't be the majority of the content that you as a professional services provider like an attorney should be publishing. I understand that we want people to know us, like us, and trust us. And one of the key ways to do that is by publishing content on social media, especially content that gives people, our clients, our prospective clients, our referral sources and prospective referral sources, an idea of who we are as people. We want to be able to show humility. We want to be able to show that we're relatable people, that we are people that they might want to work with based on our personalities, our interests in life, etc., etc. But more and more, I'm seeing posts on LinkedIn that are a bit too personal. They're personal in a way that I think reflects poorly on the poster. We're talking about where people are being overly vulnerable, talking about all the times they failed, looking into the camera, upset because they just cried about some issue they had in life, or they had some problem that was particularly difficult for them to get through, and they're reflecting on it and took a selfie of them while they were reflecting on it. They got emotional, and then they posted that photo online. This personal content can distract your audience from understanding that you are knowledgeable and wise and the person that they should hire to help them with their issue. Remember, we're talking about knowing, liking, and trusting. Yes, the personal content can get you very far on the know factor and the like factor. But the trust factor, I'm not so sure. They might trust you as a human being, but can they trust you to handle the issues, handle the problems, the obstacles, the challenges that you help your clients handle? If you are only talking about yourself, you're only talking about your failures, you're only talking about personal aspects of your life, then you're not really showing off what you have to give to clients and referral sources regarding what you do and how you do it. You are opening up the opportunity for other people, your competitors, your peers, to produce more content that's on point, that's professional in nature, and talks about thought leadership, talks about their knowledge and wisdom, and actually knocks you off that pedestal of being top of mind for clients or referral sources regarding what you can help them with, because these clients and referral sources only see the personal side of you. They need to be reminded how smart you are, how wise you are, how talented you are at the work that you get paid for and the work that they could hire you to do. So how do we solve this problem? The solution's pretty simple. Make sure that your professional posts outweigh your personal posts on about a 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 basis. So 75%, 80% of your time, your content should be professional-based, thought leadership type stuff, making sure that people understand that you are knowledgeable and wise and you have the goods to help them with whatever you are hired to help people with. And then 20% of the time, 25% of the time, you could focus on personal content that helps people really understand who you are as a person and makes you seem likable to them and the kind of person they would pay to help them with their issues, whatever they might be. Obviously, there are times where the two streams will cross. If you're at a conference, you're at a work event, you're at a personal event, and you have a thought about someone that's professional, you can take a picture from that event, and then the content might be one thing, the picture might be related to another thing in terms of professional versus personal, but there are opportunities to cross the streams here. I'm not saying that you should never cross the streams. I'm not saying you should never be personal with your content, but just keep that balance in mind. When it comes to personal content, on LinkedIn, remember what you hear when it comes to eating healthy, everything in moderation. Nothing wrong with personal posts, but don't let them outweigh and outnumber your professional posts. Your professional posts need to instill confidence in your clients and referral sources that you are the person that could help clients with whatever they need help with. Your personal content should supplement that professional content and make it clear that you are the kind of person that your clients and referral sources would like to work with. If you're interested in learning more about how to create thought leadership content on LinkedIn or anywhere else, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that could help you do just that.